Hey, well, the day's finally here. I have been able to get my full workflow working for my bills automation, and it's exciting. I'm very, very pumped, and I want to tell you all about it. Hi, I'm Mike from Mike's Tech, where I explain how to solve life's technical challenges using automation and other technology. And today I have completed the full flow, and I drew a bit of a diagram here just to show you how I do that. And I'm going to just quickly talk through that. Ultimately, there are two ways that the bills can come in. I've talked about this in previous videos. They can either come in via Gmail, a normal email with the PDF attached. I've got less and less of those coming in, but still I need a flow for that. And any bills that I download manually, they get moved from a downloads folder into the PDF folder, and I'll talk about that in more detail. So the Gmail one, email comes from provider. I've got some Gmail rules set up, and it forwards it to the Make webhook. This one down here, you can set up an email webhook, which is like an email address. You send something to it, and then Make goes off and does what it needs to do. Bills automation channel is probably not the best way to do that. This should be make.com flow. And then the other way is that we watch the PDF folder, what Hazel does. Hazel runs its rule, which is really just match the PDF with some really basic rules and then use a shortcut to send it via email to that same webhook. Then once we get in the webhook in Make, it creates an Airtable record. It saves the PDF to OneDrive, and it saves into the Bills PDF folder. It renames the file to the Airtable row that it already got. It shares the URL to OneDrive and adds that to the Airtable. Update Airtable record with OneDrive share URL, and then it sends a message to Telegram, which is like a messaging app. And then that is all done, and that's the end of Make. Then Hazel is watching the Bills PDF folder. It runs as bespoke bill rules for each bill. It captures all the metadata, due date, how much it costs, etc. It moves it to the correct folder for myself in my own organization, like, the power bill goes into the power folder. The car toll bill goes into the cars bill, and then it gets all that metadata and sends it off to AppleScript. And then AppleScript grabs that data, it converts it to all the metadata to a JSON, and it sends that JSON over with shortcuts. This AppleScript is required because Hazel doesn't have a native way to send data to shortcuts, not in the way that I need to anyway. It'll send the file, but obviously I need it to send all of the metadata that's got off those bills. And then Shortcuts converts the JSON to a dictionary. It sends the metadata to Telegram for alerting, so I get another alert with all of the metadata on it. And then that metadata is sent to Airtable using the file name as a record ID. So the all the way back up here, we rename the file to the Airtable row ID, and so back here, we use that rename to help us know what row to update, do an update and add all the metadata to. And it does that, and then that is it. So, happy days. Glad to see it working. I've got about 10 bills in total that I do this, and I've got about 3 or 4 running. So a little bit more to go, but very happy with the outcome. And I'm going to be doing a lot more videos on the ins and outs of it. There's a lot of private and sensitive data there, so I do need to set up some demos to be able to do that. And I'll be working on that, and I'll have those videos for you soon. I'll be able to do a deep dive into each of these steps and really explain how I do it. All right, make sure you like the video below and keep watching.